Hey guys, it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's that big red button that says subscribe on it. And enjoy my videos. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of this box right here. And as you can see, this is a Birchbox. I'm not sure if you can read that, but this is a Birchbox. And I've been wanting to subscribe to like a subscription service for the better part of a year, honestly. I was very skeptical about it because I wasn't sure if I wanted to like commit that much money to something I wasn't going to end up liking. So I decided just to give it a shot. So I put in like the 6-month payment down, and I just like, you know what, it's a hit or miss, and hopefully I'll like some of the products in there. And so yeah, so I was thinking between Birchbox and Ipsy, and Ipsy is more of like a makeup only kind of thing, and then Birchbox is like it has a little bit of everything. Like you get hair products, you get skin products, you get like nail polish and fragrances and makeup, of course, and of course both boxes send you sample sizes, which are like these tiny little samples. Like they're smaller than the actual products, so that like so you could try it out. If you liked it, you could go and buy the full product. Which is definitely like a good thing for me, because like I remember the times when I would walk in Sephora, which I haven't lately, it hasn't been a lot, but I would look at Sephora and I would walk in and it'd be like, and I would look at some of the products in Sephora, and I wished I had like something that I could try it out first, because you know, Sephora products, you have to like, you don't have travel sizes or sample sizes, so you kind of have to like take it home and try it out. If you don't like it, you still have all of that makeup or perfume or whatever, hairspray to like still have all of that to use. So you either have to use it or give it to somebody else. Even though it's November, this is the October Birchbox, and excuse me, sorry. I am definitely thinking about doing unboxings every other month. Every other month. So that in like the months that I don't do unboxings on my YouTube channel, I'll do them on my Instagram stories, just so that there's a little more variety to my channel than just unboxings, because I don't post as often anymore because I'm busy with college and I just don't know how to manage my time with that yet. So yeah, so this is what the box looks like for October. It's very nice, it has a floral pattern. It's like also has like this plum colored box on the other side, and yeah, so let's get open. So when you first open it, this is what it looks like. There's this kind of thing that says welcome, and on the back of it has all the prices for the full-size products, which I will be sure to list like right down here with the captions and the titles, just so that you guys know, and so that we know how much the full-size product costs if you ever wanted to go and buy it. So the first product I'm going to be pulling out is this, and it's jasmine tea deodorant, and it's deodorant sensitive skin formula. So this is definitely for if somebody has sensitive skin under armpits. It doesn't smell the best because it's jasmine tea scented, which I'm not a huge tea person, like drinking it and the smell of it, so definitely doesn't smell the best. Probably something I wouldn't use just because of the smell, really, honestly. I mean, yeah, it's probably something I wouldn't use on an everyday basis, but for the first product. Now the next product I'm going to be pulling out is this Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Purified Face Mask. So I definitely have always wanted to try a face mask, but I just don't have one. My mom definitely has some, but she doesn't let me use it because it's hers. So yeah, this face mask, and it says on the back, not tested on animals, and I'm all for something that's cruelty free. I did a project on animal testing in 7th grade, I think, maybe 8th grade, I think it was 7th grade, but ever since then after seeing those like awful photos, I'm just like, I don't want to use products that are tested on animals and such. So yeah, this goes on pink, and once it's done, it'll turn white. So yeah, that's definitely very interesting. So yeah, this is this face mask. It's obviously a sample size face mask thing. It's 13 grams. So the next one I'm going to point out is this Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint in the shade Auckland. That's a province, city in Australia. Sorry to all the Australians out there. Yeah, so this is lip paint. I definitely do wear lipstick, so this is definitely helpful to me. I'm just going to swatch it on my wrist right here. Ooh, this is a color I'm totally into. See this color? I do wear like pinks and the nudes, and so this color is definitely something that I really enjoy, and I'll wear probably whenever I wear lipstick. So yeah. So yeah, this Mellow Auckland lip paint, and it's in the shade right there. So the next product I'm pulling out is this Air Repair Hydrating Serum, and I'm not really sure what this is. I think this is like a lotion, like a hydrating lotion if you have dry skin, which I kind of have dry skin. I don't really know what my skin is, to be honest, but yeah, I kind of have dry skin. So yeah, you kind of just like put it on your like face, and it's upside down. Sorry about that. Yeah, just kind of just put it on your face, and it hydrates. And then the last product in here, because Birchbox sends you 5 products every month, is this Ico London Skinny Liquid Black Eyeliner. And I don't really wear eyeliner for the same reason why I don't wear contacts, is because I am afraid of poking myself in the eye or putting something into my eye. So, but you know, eyeliner isn't that bad, so I feel like I want to give it a shot. So let's just swatch this on my arm. Definitely I've never used eyeliner before, but that's what the eyeliner looks like right there. And that's the lip color, in case you guys are interested. And so this is what it looks like. And it's liquid eyeliner too, so that means like the pen. You can like write in small strokes or in a big stroke. And yeah, so this is what the pen looks like, in case you guys are familiar. So yeah, I will be sure to update you guys on all of these products by December unboxing for Birchbox. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that big red sub button down below that says subscribe on it, so you can see all of my other videos. And also please don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to it, so that you can be notified every single time I post a video. And also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and comment if you like unboxings, or if you just like regular videos. I'm gonna do like a makeup tutorial and what's in my makeup bag at some point. And yeah, thank you guys so much for my support and for supporting me, even though I don't post videos all that often anymore. My life's been a little crazy. As you can see, I'm back in my room. It's because I got knee surgery in July, and I decided to opt out of returning to school so that I can focus on my recovery, and it's going well. I lost the brace earlier this week, so that's something, I guess, right? Yeah. Bye guys, see you soon.